Hello and welcome to Lexi Moto. Today I would like to introduce one of our most popular items, the LX R6. It is a motorcycle 6-rider large group, 1,200 meters, full duplex stereo Bluetooth wireless helmet headsets, designed for installation into most open face, flip front and full face style helmets. Here is the retail package. As you can see, our LX R6 has passed the FCC and CE certificates. With our LX R6, you can call hands-free on your Bluetooth mobile phone, listen to stereo music, or voice instruction of GPS navigation by Bluetooth wirelessly, and have intercom conversations in full duplex with a passenger or mounting pair with up to 6 riders for up to 1,200 meters distance. You can talk with any one of the other 5 riders that you paired with, and switch to any other rider as you like. A complete dual package includes the user's manual, the LX R6 main unit and DC adapter, the boom microphone with hi-fi speakers, the mounting brackets with clamp, the USB power cable, the audio cable, and a screwdriver for easy installation. Before using our LX R6, please make sure that the main unit is fully charged. The LED turns red while charging and turns off when it is fully charged. It usually takes about 2.5 hours to be completely charged. You can press and hold the power button for about 6 seconds to power on the unit. The blue LED will turn on. Just short press the preset button for quickly power off, or press and hold the power button for about 6 seconds to power off the unit. When you see the blue LED start blinking and keep on, release the button. You can see there are 2 jacks on the main unit, one for charging and the other for connecting with your headsets, and the microphone for intercom talking, listen to stereo music, and voice instruction of GPS navigation, etc. So you can take off the main unit for charging with your home adapter. You can also charge it when you are using it on the riding. We are also providing 3 different adapters for you option: the American type, the European type, and the Australian type. So please tell us what type of adapter that you need when you order our LX R6 to avoid any mistake. That's all about our LX R6. Just go to our Amazon, eBay or AliExpress store to get one and enjoy your riding. And don't forget to visit our website for more surprises there. Thank you for watching. See you next time.